Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to add text behind a person by using CapCut mobile. Let's start. At first you have to open your CapCut app. Then tap on new project. After that, choose the video or photo that you want to add. Add a text, and now I'm going to add this text on it, and let's make it bigger like this and put it here, and now export it. Now tap on done, and let's go back here, tap on new project again, and then choose the video again, and here tap on edit. Now find remove BG and tap on it. Now here tap on auto removal and then wait for the removal, and now export the video. Now let's go again and tap on new project. Here choose the video that you have made earlier with text on it. Now tap on overlay, and here tap on add overlay, then choose the video with background removed, and then extend it like this to fit with the original video. Here find remove BG again and put the chroma key on it. This time put the chroma key on the black screen, and now you guys can see the text behind this lady. So this is how you guys can add text behind a person by using CapCut mobile. See how easy it is? We put lots of effort every day to videos to make your life better. If it helps, please subscribe and like. Until next time, bye bye.